Thompson i Andre Jones yn gwneud yn dda yng nghanol y cae. Chwarae ar yr 1-2, pasio Smith ar ergydd gan Andre Jones o ryw 15 llath ar 20. Jones ymlaen i Davies sy'n gwarchod y bel oddi wrth George Horan. A ei droed gryfar, droed chwith na'r ergyd yn cael ei gyro allan gan John Danby. A ddylsa George Horan wybod yn well i byd ag Adales Davies cael ei droed chwith. Morris ar gigrydd Venables yn pennu lawr i Jones yn y cwrs. Cosby Jones ar ergyd. Unwaith eto mae'n fflachio heibio Boston John Danby. Smith, Heath. Dan bwysa gan Howard ymlaen, chwilio Matty Williams. Yna mae Morris. O'na drosedd na, mae'r bel dal yr rhydd. Smith yn chwaraesu tuag at Michael Wild. Sy'n rhoi'r tîm cartra ar y blaen. Groesiad fendigedig gan Sean Smith a Wild. A'i drydydd gol o'r tymor. Wicknell. Mae di Colin Keater yn apus efo'r drosedd na ar Stewart Jones a'n drosedd arall gan Wicknell. Eith o'i lyfr y dyfarnwr tro ma. Mae yna frwydr rhwng Venables a mae Wicknell hefyd yn ei chanol ei. Mae yna... Mae'n cael ei dynnu o'na gan Thompson. Byddai'n gweld yn union pwys ar y llawr. James Owens ar y llawr. Mae yna benderfyniad i wneud yma rwan gan Mark Petch. Be welodd y pedwyr swyddog neu'r dyfarnwr cynorthwyol. Venables yn ei chanol i. Wicknell oedd y llall. A mae yna cerdyn coch yn cael ei ddangos i Ryan Wicknell. Melyn i Venables. Cei cona lawr i 10 dyn. Cei crydd i'r bala. Morris. Uniongyrchol. Teg at Stewart Jones. Beniad mae dros Ben Danby. Yn ath o'n dda i gamu nôl. A'i gwiro i dros y trawst. Pwysa rwan yn cynyddu ar gol Cei Cona. Burke. Wild sy'n penio allan. Burke a Howard yn cyfuno. Yn dda iawn lawr y chwith. Burke ar draws y cwrt 6. A rywsyd neu gilydd. Mae'n cael ei chlirio gan Kai Edwards. Dwi'n meddwl yr oedd o. Dan y trawst.
We knew, how tough it would be. That's the third time we've been in the season with 10 men. And we've not been beat with 11 men. And, we're a hard team to beat. And we get our noses in front. We've got fantastic character in that team. And, when we've had to stand up to a barrage of long balls, they just boot the ball from back to front, trying to hit Les Davis. And to be fair, I felt when Les left the pitch, we'd win the game. Because he was the main threat. And late on in the game, when they're putting balls in the box, you need something 6'4", so I was over the moon when Les left.
I thought we've totally dominated the game tonight, totally bossed the game. The only team that was looking to try and score on the floor, and the only team that was trying to score in open play. But I'm proud of the lads tonight, done really well. Just need to be a little bit better in the attacking third and create a little bit more. I was really, really happy with them. I don't think they've troubled us once. Ashley hasn't made one save.
Abala Connors Key game is going to be very, very physical, and it's going to be a very, very tough night for the referee. And he dealt with everything. And there was nothing untoward. But the red card now, if it had been for handbags or raising the hand, I could have said, I'm going to have to swallow that because of what it is. But the tackle, please, come on.
And obviously, during half-time interval, we've seen that you and your lads were, out on the pitch and not on a change. Was that your plan?
No, it wasn't our plan. No, we didn't have any lights in the dressing room before the game. We didn't have any lights in the dressing room at half-time, so we had to sit on the pitch and do a team talk. We didn't have any drinks or nothing. So it was quite strange that every other light in the building's working and every other light's working in the stadium, but our dressing room didn't work and there was a fuse blown. But they had 45 minutes to get it right before the game, and they still didn't do it for us for half-time, which, I don't know, maybe it's just one fault in one building, but very strange.